So there's new electrics in the workshop and it goes the wrong way. I can't change it. Let's see if I die or not. So, I thought we'd do a little break just to show how we are doing on the to-do list. I'm very tired, you may notice, because I have worked very much this weekend. It's called week. Yeah, I worked a lot this week on my main job. I'm very tired. But okay, we did the battery mount, the cone for the regulator, splash guard-ish thingy. I isolated some electrics, but I didn't feel that much of it, but I did it. This also I didn't cord. I improved the mount for the saddle. So I made a new bolt that goes through and hold it steady. We won't fall off and explode. Yeah. So what next, you might ask? I want to do the RPM meter mount. I should do that, that's easy. And I should do the speedometer. Speedometer, RPM meter mounts. And I will do brake light, rear light mount or installation, what you call. I have no idea how to mount this yet, but I will figure something out. Because I think I can do one more thing. Yeah, the gas wire that's get caught in the air filter. I should also fix that. And indicators. I could actually do indicators to spray paint the mounts that I already made. That's 5 things. So the things I will do this weekend is air filter and gas fixing shit, English error. I will do RPM meter mount, I will do speedometer mount, and I will do indicators.
Vad ska jag säga?
yeah, that was that video. Stay tuned for the next one. It will get out pretty soon because it's Friday right now, and on Monday I will have a lot of footage what I done in the weekend. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day.